County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Westmont, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Belmont, Johnstown, Westmont, Hollidaysburg, Nancy-Glo, Portage, Evansburg, Altoona, Salix and Dirty Lime Park, and Roaring Spring. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 15 to 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, and Cambria. Bedford, Blair, and Huntington.
There it goes.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 464, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Franklin, Fulton, Juliana, and Mifflin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 464 has been issued from 4:20 p.m. until midnight Wednesday for the following counties: Franklin, Fulton, Juliana, and Mifflin. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, Blair County in central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Prince Gallitzin State Park to near Berlin, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hollidaysburg, Altoona, Breezewood, Tyrone, Bedford, Osterburg, Bellwood, Everett, Buffalo Mills, and Cessna. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 149. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 131 to 162. Interstate 99 for mile markers 0 to 52. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford and Blair.